Flight Helicopters is Cottage Country's premier tour operator. Experience Northern Ontario from a bird's eye view. From lake-dotted granite landscapes to buzzing the treetops, enjoy a view that will last a lifetime. Our packages include champagne tours, Muskoka experiences, resort excursions, and fall colors, providing you a unique opportunity to get a lay of the land. Take photos and share with your friends on Instagram. Enjoy Flight Helicopter's many personable touches. Book with us on your next destination vacation, or come experience Cottage Country in a way that you never have before. With a tireless commitment to customer satisfaction and safety, we are your trusted source for tours.